Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, thanks for stopping by. I post weekly videos about all things print on demand, so how to succeed at it, how to get on it, and how to continue growing on it. So if that sounds like something you want to learn more about, then hit the subscribe button down below and you'll stay up to date with all of my latest content. So before I get into what this video is actually about, which is my October sales from Redbubble, I wanted to do a quick giveaway announcement because I'm officially launching my second giveaway on this channel. So just like the last video, I'm partnering up with Redbubble again to bring you this giveaway, and I've selected some items from my store, so I'll actually insert them right here, and one lucky winner will get all of these amazing items from my shop. So if you're interested in entering this giveaway, just follow the instructions that are on the screen here right now. I'll also leave them down below in case you didn't catch them, but basically it's the same thing as last time, so I'll be announcing the winner in a week from today. So by the time I post this, it'll probably be Wednesday, so I'll announce it next Wednesday, November, I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. So make sure to follow all the instructions if you want to win the giveaway, and good luck to everyone that's entering. I also still have my Redbubble discount for my shop, so in case you didn't win the last giveaway or this giveaway and you still want to buy something from my shop, you can still buy something and get a 15% off discount of anything you buy from my entire shop, so I'll leave the code for that down below. And yeah, happy shopping. So by the thumbnail and title of this video, you already know what I'll be talking about today, and that is my October Redbubble sales earnings. And sadly, the thumbnail is not clickbait. Unfortunately, my sales did go down this month, so I'm gonna show you guys that and show you why I think it happened and I guess the lessons I learned from it. And I know normally I just do these quick little segments in other videos, just sharing my income for whatever month it is, but I actually realized there is a lot I can share through these income reports because there's analytics on Redbubble, you know, there's a bunch of things on the dashboard that I can show. And there's also just different things that happen every month that affect my sales. So I thought, why not kind of put that all together into a video? I saw some of the other print-on-demand YouTubers doing these as well. So I thought that was a great idea and I decided to try it out for myself. So if you want to see my Redbubble earnings for October, my analytics for October, and some of the lessons I learned, plus some of the goals I have for November, then stay tuned to the end of this video. So first and foremost, let's get into my October earnings reveal. So for my October paycheck from Redbubble, I earned a total of $691 US. So after converting that to Canadian, I got a total of $888 in my bank account. So yes, that is still a pretty decent amount of money, and I'm definitely not complaining about it, but just comparing it to my last 3 months, it is quite a decrease and definitely not the goal I had set for October. But that being said, I'm actually going to go into my analytics right now and show you guys something that I thought was pretty cool and kind of uplifted my spirit about my sales going down this month. Okay, so I'm just on my dashboard here and going to go into my payment history, which is the first thing I want to show you guys. So as you can see here, October was $691, like I said, and what I want to show you guys is that last October was actually right here, 2019, I got $296. So even though last year it was also one of my lowest months ever, I'm happy because this year I managed to more than double that amount. So even though it is less than the past 3 months, I'm still happy with that income because it doubled from last year, so it still shows growth. And you know, not every month can be perfect, not every month can be your top month. So overall, I am happy once I saw that I did, you know, double my income from last October. So another thing I wanted to show you guys was just some of the products that I sold, and I'm just gonna go into that now, into the sales history. So these are all from November. Let's go, hopefully this will take us to the beginning of October. So technically the payment for October was actually like half of September and half of October, as you guys probably already know. So I'll just go back to about that time in September. Okay, so let's start here. So as you can see right off the bat, photographic print, mask, poster, artboard print, tapestry, iPhone case, sticker. It's really a variety of things still. Masks have slowed down for me a little bit. Maybe I just need to upload some more designs because people are getting sick of the ones that they see, but yeah, definitely not as much as before. Some leggings in there. A lot of posters that month. Let's go to October. So yeah, sadly, I did not sell any like holiday themed stuff in October. Like I said in my last video, I think I might have been too late to that trend because a lot of my products said they were going to be delivered after Halloween, even though I posted them at the beginning of October. So unfortunately, that was kind of a flop for me, but that's okay. Yeah, so I had an active t-shirt. I think that might be the first time I had that. A-line dress, leggings. So honestly guys, just post your image on everything, because I never thought I would sell leggings or dresses or really any clothing items with this stuff, but it actually does look good with it and people buy it, so you might as well try. Yeah, some phone cases, some notebooks, a shower curtain, bath mat. And actually the month of October, I noticed that a lot of different prints sold compared to usual. So obviously the majority was still Blue Ocean Waves, but a lot of different ones ended up selling, and even some of the new ones that I posted, which is like this one here, Calm Blue Ocean Shore on a Sunny Day. Let me see. So yeah, this is one of my new images that I uploaded, and it sold, I think, the night that I uploaded actually, which was pretty surprising to me. Let's go into my dashboard and then just see some of the traffic I got. Okay, so here it shows my earnings summary. So for October, this is what kind of confused me about Redbubble, because when you go to your earnings summary, it's actually different than your payment that you got, because they're just showing in the entire month of October. So sometimes I wish they actually paid you just like for that entire month of October. I think it'd be more clear, but basically it's saying that I had $647 in September, I guess, but it was showing in October. I don't know. Yeah, I kind of wish this section would also show you by month what products you sold the most of, because I think that'd be cool to see, especially on different months if you have like holiday themed stuff. And then my audience traffic sources for October, I had quite a mix of stuff. So I had direct traffic, 1,355 people, so I'm assuming that's probably from my YouTube, because I have my link to my store in my description bar. And then my organic traffic is just people that naturally came to my store from the site. So that one's fairly high. It's one of the top ways people came to my store. So that's good to see, because it shows that my artwork is actually popping up in Redbubble's store in different places. So it's bringing people to my shop. I have social media, which is 5,870. So that's definitely the highest one. Yeah, I'm curious what it entails, because it could mean anything like Instagram, YouTube. I'm not sure. I'll have to look into that and let you guys know, but that's where most people found me. And then Redbubble traffic. So yeah, people found me from Redbubble's pages and probably their ads. So that is good to see that it's the second highest one. Definitely looking to increase all of these numbers. I'm not sure what other stands for, but probably just like random Google searches and stuff, because yeah, it was higher in June, July, August. So I mean, it's obviously makes sense with the amount of money I made each of those months. And then just looking at my shares, it's pretty cool. I've actually don't think I've ever really looked at my share section. So somehow 224 people shared my work or profile or shop on social media, which is pretty cool, because I haven't actually seen those shares, so that's cool to see. And then, you know, a couple more shares from all the other sources. So yeah, that's definitely great to see it's being shared and getting that free promotion as well. So definitely check out this section, and just to see what ways people are coming to your store and if people are sharing your work, because that's just another way to get some promo, and it means that people like what they see. Alright, so I think that's it for this analytics section. So now that we've finished looking into the numbers, the stats, the analytics, all of that side of things, I'm actually going to go into the reasons why I think I wasn't as successful in October as I have been in other months. So number one, October has always been my slowest month. Even historically, even the past like 2-3 years, it's been one of my slowest months. So I'm really not surprised, because it was just following the trend of my shop. And as I said, at least it doubled. So that definitely shows that my store is growing overall, but usually it is one of my worst months. So I was kind of expecting that to continue for this year. It's normal to have ups and downs in your stores. And I think as long as your store is at least consistently going up from the previous years, then that shows that you're doing something right and you're on the right track. So my second reason why I think I didn't do as well in October compared to other months is because people tend to focus on seasonal purchases and items in October. So there are tons of holidays in October. There's Halloween, there's Thanksgiving in Canada, there's just any fall themed stuff because that's kind of the best month for fall to see the leaves change and all that. So people are focused on buying these seasonal items during October or September because that's when they're celebrating all these different changes and holidays. So other shops that sell more generic or off-season designs may see a small dip in their profits during this time because people aren't really focused on buying that type of stuff. And I mean, I'm in the same boat there too. Anything that I did buy in October or the end of September was definitely fall themed. Like, I mean, any decor or stuff that I bought for my house during that time. So yeah, it's kind of just obvious that in the seasons that there are big holidays, people will tend to buy stuff for those holidays instead of just things because. So moving into my third reason, which is pretty similar to my second reason, but kind of different. I didn't really post anything for the seasonal October holidays. I think I had maybe 5 things up for that, but that definitely wasn't enough to bring exposure to my shop, especially when I'm more so known for summery items. So I definitely missed out on that trend and I should have posted more, but by the time I posted, it was a little late anyway, so it kind of demotivated me in that sense because I felt like people weren't gonna buy it anyways. So yeah, I think if you are trying to gain more sales in holiday themed months, then you should definitely try to post holiday themed designs. So now that I kind of went over what may have gone wrong in October, I want to move into my November goals for Redbubble because I think it's important to set goals every month for whatever business you're in. So I might as well share them with you guys so that maybe it inspires you to use them as some of your goals or just create your own. So my first goal is that I want to post 20 new designs on my shop. So I've actually already gotten a head start on this goal. As you can see, I did post some new items to my shop, I think a week or two ago, because I found some pictures from an old hard drive from a ton of trips I went on in the past that I had never used and I totally forgot about. So I really hit the gold mine there and got a lot of content for my print on demand stores. So I have a lot more of those photos to edit and post. So that's what I'm working on and I'm hoping I can get at least 20 up there, preferably more, but we'll see what happens. 20 is my goal and I really want to get these out before people start buying for Christmas because December is usually a really good month for me. So I want to make sure people have a wide selection of designs to pick from my store, and when they're looking for gifts, they're not seeing just the same designs I've always had. So my second goal is something that I've actually thought about before in the past, but I kind of forgot about, and now that I was thinking of new ways to promote my Redbubble shop, it came back to me, and that is by promoting it on a social media channel. So I'm thinking I might do it on an Instagram account where it's a page that likes nature or some sort of fan page of the ocean or something like that, or a TikTok account. I have to look more into that one and see, but I've seen that TikTok ads are doing well for people in other niches, so I was like, why not try just for fun? And I really don't know if this is gonna work. It's purely for testing methods at this point and just to see if I should recommend it to you guys or not, because Redbubble does already do a lot of advertising for you on their own. So I don't really know if this little push will be worth it and if it will bring enough sales to make it worthwhile. So that's why I just want to test it out, film the whole process on camera for you guys and just see what happens. And my third and final goal for this month is to audit my own shop. So I actually talked about this in my top holiday tips video I made the other week, and when I came to think of it, I honestly couldn't remember the last time I did a full audit on my shop. Every now and then I go through maybe my more recent products or my most popular products and I'll make sure that they always have all the products for sale and all that, but I don't think I've actually gone through my entire store in a very long time. So I figured I might as well take my own advice and make sure my own shop is ready for the holidays and just in general it's ready for all the new products that have come and everything looks good with it. So I'm going to take some time to do that, and I'm actually going to film a video of how you guys can audit your shop and give you the tips that I'll be using so you guys can do it yourselves as well. But I think it's important to do that every so often, so I'll be doing that in the month of November. Alright, so that is all I have for everything to do with my October earnings and goals for November. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some ideas for your own shop as well, and just some inspiration to kind of keep going and show that everyone has slow months, even myself. So don't get down if you had a really good month and then the next month sucks, because it's just kind of a roller coaster ride and it happens to everyone. So keep going, keep posting, and you'll see a consistent increase eventually. If you like seeing a video about my earning breakdown and earning reveal, then definitely give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep doing these for next month, and subscribe to my channel so that you can actually get them in your feed. Alright, but that's all I have for today, so don't forget to enter my giveaway. All the details are down below, so make sure you guys enter it before it closes. Good luck to everyone, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!